struggling with prop firms? Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the break and retest strategy for Euro USD. I'm going to be going over the entry methods. I'm going to be going over the, basically to help you pass prop firm challenges. And I'm also going to be showing, how I've back tested my strategy. Obviously I'm not just come up with my entries, and I've back tested the hell out of this strategy, guys. As you can see here, this is on the 6-hour time frame, so there is a lot of data. I've back tested the last, I think about 500 trades. These blue to blue lines, these gaps in the middle, guys, they are weak. That's a 1 week. Red line to red line, that's 1 month. So you can do obviously count the red lines. You can pause the video. These numbers, if I go through them, it's going to be hard to explain. It's going to take time, but these blues obviously are winners. The greens, I believe, are how much I've gained throughout the week, percentage gain. Minus ones are obviously the losses, but this is obviously the amount of, I've just come up with my strategy out of the blue. I'm not just passing prop firms out of the blue. I've done a lot of back testing, obviously, and I've got the data and I've found my edge, and that's how I'm passing these prop firm challenges. Now you guys know that with the funding pips, I take these small 10k accounts. I only take these 10k accounts with funding pips, but obviously this is blurred out. I'm gonna have this blurred out, and there's a particular reason, because I don't want to show my payouts. Now funding pips, because they offer the cheapest, obviously just to show that, guys, I do get payouts. I don't just just blabber on about the strategy. So I only take 10k accounts challenges with funding pips. So I mostly, now with funding pips, guys, let me make this very clear. With funding pips, I mostly blow my accounts. Why? Because I use the 10k accounts, and I mostly use to tweak the strategy. I want the emotions to be involved. I don't like trading on demo accounts. So obviously with funding pips, I'm always tweaking. So that's why I already got free payouts with them. But with my other prop firms, that's where I trade my bigger accounts. So also obviously in my previous video I mentioned I've got this back tested. I like to see how, obviously we all have some kind of data where we won 50 trades out of 100, for example. I like to see how many I actually won in a row and then lost, when the losses took place and how often the wins took place. That's my back tested data. So coming back to Euro USD, I don't trade Euro USD, but my strategy works for pretty much every pair. This is a 1 to 6 risk to reward. I personally trade a 1 to 4. This is on Euro USD a 1 to 6. So okay, without wasting any time, and I'm also going to be drawing out of the blue as well, meaning the zones. So I can show that obviously I've drawn this beforehand, but I can just show that I can just draw this anywhere at any time, depending on where current price is. So okay, so the first obviously zone that this one I've drawn here, guys, was due to, obviously, because we got this we got these clean rejections here. So this is resistance, this is support, and then I dragged the zone across, and then I drew this zone here because obviously a clean rejection here, long wick rejection, and then price was coming down, right? We get a breakthrough, right? I've drawn the psychological key level here. You can see the line here. You can't see it here that clearly, but price breaks through, comes back up. Now I take the entry, and that would have been a loss. So obviously we get wicked out. Then price breaks, we get this bearish candle here, breaks through again. Now we get multiple rejections here of this psychological key level, and that's when I would take the entry, and we get a nice 1 to 6. That's 5.9, 1 to 6 there, nice. So the previous loss is covered. Now we're up 5%. So actually let's draw this as we go along. I like to mark my winners in. By the way, guys, if you want to join one-on-one mentorship, you can do that. I've got about 35 members. The Discord group's growing super fast. We've got the mentorship group here as well. We've got about 6 to 7 students. you know, and even obviously some of them are doing really well with prop firms now. And yeah, if you want to, you know, the link will be in the description, so if you want to jump on board, you know, join the link, and yeah, just hit me a personal message, and let's get talking. Okay, so then okay, so one loss here, -1, then we gain 1 to 6, that's 5% profit. Then obviously, you know, this is a psychological key level drawn here, obviously because of these rejections here, but I don't like to trade, obviously not a trade off support. I like to wait for my, you know, breakthrough and then retest. So no entry here, even though guys sometimes I do take, very rarely, only you can see this strong bullish tweezer pattern formed here, and this is a strong bullish candle with a long wick rejection. I think I believe it's called a shooting star or a hammer candle. I think it's called a shooting star. You know, a long wick rejection, bullish strong candle. But me, it depends. If I'm up high percentage, meaning a lot of I'm high in about 4 or 5% in profit on a prop firm account, then I don't mind risking that 1% to take this this challenge. But me personally, I only try to trade breakouts. So example, so this where this was previously support, we get the break here, strong bullish candle. Now look, none of the candles are closing below the psychological key level. Look at that, how clean is that? They all only wick rejection at the bottom. Take the entry here, a nice 1 to 6 here, and now we would be up 11%. So actually, you know what, just mark these numbers here, and if I clone this one and put it down here, so I like to mark my losses in orange, so color this orange, and yeah, okay, so far I'm up 11% now. That's already phase 1 completed, right? So okay, coming back down here, we get, you know, price is tanking, and obviously we reached the previous support. We get multiple rejections. Now this is why exactly, guys, I don't have you heard of that saying, you know, buy from the low, sell from the high? The biggest BS you know, you're gonna hear. This obviously multiple rejections here, support, boom, breakout, closes below, I get my rejection here, boom, clean 1 to 6. Don't know why they saved us more 5.9s, but clean 1 to 6. Price carries on falling, price comes back up. This is you know, retest rejections here. Actually, let me clone this because this is meant to be a loss, so let me mark this loss as well. So this was meant to be a sell, obviously we lose trade. Price closes above, so we could have taken a buy, but we lose again. So now we're 2% down. Then we get our third opportunity, and we do take the sell, and guys, check this out, we get a, you know, a nice 1 to 6 again. So now if we do the maths, clone this, put a 6 down here, and then clone this, and we put a, because we took 2 losses here, right? Clone 2 losses here, and we get another 1 to 6 down here, right? Okay, so price comes back up, we get the clean breakout, but we don't get a retest, so we don't take no entry. Price comes down, remember we don't sell off resistance, we're only looking for breakouts. Price comes back down, and look at that, we get the close below the psychological key level, breakout, we get the retest here, boom. But this doesn't take the full 1 to 6, it only gives us a 1 to 4. So either you take partials, or me personally, I don't take partials, I would rather just take the loss. So what we'll do is, we're going to count this as a loss. 1 loss here, 1 loss here as well. But then price breaks above, right? Price breaks above, and then actually clone this one. This would have been a loss as well. Now do you see why psychologically, guys, you gotta, trading is not for the weak. You know, if you're emotionally a weak person, then you're gonna fail because you've already taken 3 losses in a row. So you've taken few wins, nice wins to build your confidence here. You've taken 2 losses, 1 win again. Now that's obviously you're 4% up. Then you've taken 3 losses, now you're 3% down, so you're like 1% profit again. And then obviously after a bit of patience, you've got the clean, you know, you got a nice 1 to 6 again. So obviously what happens here, you get the, you know, resistance here, boom. Now this is just tempting you to get this, you know, getting going for a sell and rejection here. No, breakout, retest, right? We're getting away for the rejection. Obviously we get the rejection here, even second candle here, and then boom, we hit enter, 1 to 6. Look at this, guys. You know, this is tempting you to obviously take a sell. Everyone who are taking sells from here, boom, wicked everyone out, and then it comes down. That's why me personally, smart money, whatever you call it, I think it's called smart money or ICT, whatever it is, you know, simple trading. That's why on my YouTube banner it's called simplified trading. That's what I believe in. You know, I've back tested the hell out of this, obviously, guys, trust me. As you can see here, phase 1 passed. I must have passed phase 1 at that point on my other prop firm accounts. Like, even this is all day trade. You look at all these wins here, guys, in a row. I've made this myself. Live trades taken below here. If you're wondering what that is, this is back tested. So blues here, 1 to 4s. These blues means 1 to 4s. Yellows mean -1. So even if I have, like, my biggest losing streak is 1 2 3 4, right? Green means 1 to 3. So I would have ended the trade earlier if I must have seen something. So I hit 1 to 3, and look at that, from 1 to 3 I've recovered my 3 losses here. Then my next trade is a 1 to 4 winner, and I just got in profit. I don't care if I lose that one, you know, again. Then I get 1 to 3 green, I lose again, then boom 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 boom. So you know, easy as that. So we got, obviously I explained this, we get wicked out, but that's why I don't like believe in this smart money, whatever you even call it. Now I think no, I would be taking a sell here. This is support, sorry, resistance. I wouldn't be taking sells. Okay, price breaks through a little bit here. Okay, so you know, like, you have to be obviously honest as possible with yourself. We would take a sell from here. We've taken the loss, so clone this, and there you go. So we obviously lose the trade. Price breaks above, right? Just one moment. Now okay, guys, I need to explain something else. Psychological key level is here. I've taken the entry from here. What I forgot to I've done something on purpose, because what I want to show you guys is zones also move. So when price came down here, right, this zone does not stay here, it also moves down, right? Why? Because when price came down, I'm not going to wait until it comes all the way up. Obviously the previous, when it's breaking through the previous zones, now we've got to see the most recent zone that's going to stop us, and which would be this one, right? So the best thing to do is, if I want to keep the older one there where it was, right, keep the older one there. The new one was this one, right? Look at this, rejections here, rejection, resistance here, rejections here, support, rejections here. The candles never closed in this area, they closed above. Price broke through, then price broke through here. I think it'll be easy to understand if I draw the psychological key level, which would be around this level. You look at this, guys, the wick touches here perfectly, resistance. None of the candles close above the psychological key level. None of these two candles close below this psychological key level. How clean is that? That candle closes above this line. This candle closes below this line. Breakout, price comes down to retest this level. So the entry would have been from actually this level, which would have given a nice. So again, 1 to 6. I grab, they clone this one, put it over here. Price comes up. Remember, we don't take a sell of this, because look, breakthrough. Boom, rejection, boom, straight up. Look how clean that is, guys. Look how clean that is. 1 to 6. Look, you don't have to learn all this ICT, fair value gaps, and, you know, smart money, and just keeping it super simple, guys. Well, yeah, there you have it. Price obviously just continues from there. Now if I was to draw, okay, now this is something I've already drawn beforehand, so someone could be like, yeah, well, you've already drawn this, you already knew what to say and what to do. Let's draw something random now, right? Let's go through something random. I'll delete them drawings. Blah, 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 blah. Let's just stop here, right? Okay, as you can see here, guys, we've got some choppy markets here, but you know what, let's draw it. So when we draw this, okay, first of all, I like to just draw, you know, throw something out there randomly, just to see you know, what stands out to my eyes, and then I like to just clean it up. Okay, so first of all, I'm getting, obviously, you know, this high here, I'm seeing this rejection here, support here created multiple wick rejections here, rejection, look how clean that is, rejections here, right? So this is a breakout. This huge bullish candle is a breakout, but there's no retest. So, but obviously, you know, so far we're just drawing the zones first. Then I'm drawing obviously now I need to draw the next zone. So might be okay. Example, see, further checked it, but I'm thinking it's cleaner over here, and I'll be going through Y. So we're getting multiple rejections here. Now the price is ranging, very choppy, very, you know, not something I like. This is something that obviously one would have to probably better to wait it out, you know. This would be probably better on the 650 level. Just thinking. Okay, so I mean, let's just something that I just drawn quickly. I think I will just pop in one more zone. Let's see if we can do that. I mean, this is on this 5 hour time frame, guys, so definitely even on the small time frame you can clean this up. Let's get the psychological key level. Let's draw it here. Major rejections, I would say, because the thing about, you know, zones, support resistance levels, whatever you want to call it, supply and demand, the areas, they're not in exactly a line. Does that make sense? So I mean, because I just randomly picked one up, but it's obviously been I picked out just a messy one. But I'll give you an example, right? I mean, but even if I look at these entries, let's clone this. Sorry, not clone this. Okay, resistance here, we get the breakout, we get a retest in this zone, right? But look at this, guys, it's not going to be the best one. This is only giving us a 1 to 2 before wick comes down, takes us out. This is a loss, right? This is a loss. Now price comes up, price pushes back down. Support, we remember we don't buy. Why? It's taking, it's breaking through. This would also be a loss. Now this is what I no retest here, but yeah, no retest there, guys. Would I be interested? It doesn't even come to retest in the zone. Like this one came in the zone, but this one doesn't even come in the zone. I wouldn't take that. We get a breakthrough. This one comes up for the retest. Let's see, it's the retest here. How much does this give us? Okay, a almost 1 to 5. Now if you was to hold the trade, it would have obviously gone higher, but at this moment of time, you're taking one loss, guys. Not the best price action. 1 to 5, you know, this is a clean break on retest. So here we got a breakout here, and this is all no man's land. What are we taking for no buys and sells? Breakthrough here, no retest. We get the, you know, there's a retest here, which you probably could have taken, but me personally, this retest is too far. But depending, maybe I would have, I don't know. Nah, I wouldn't have taken that. I want the retest to be a lot closer. From my back testing as well, my results have shown. Okay, so I want to taken that. So breakout here. Here, I'm not getting the cleanest. I want a bullish, obviously, rejection. I'm getting a bearish rejection. Price come down, obviously here. On the small time frame, we would have got the clean bearish rejection. So I would have taken this entry here. So, and it closes within the zone. So let's mark this up. See how much this would have given us. 23 pips. Nope. How much is this? 19. So let's make this 19 as well in the zone. I mean, even up to here, just about 1 to 3, because 19 pips. I want to make this fair. There you go, 1 to 3. We get a 1 to 3 comes down to this level. Actually no, yeah, a 1 to 2, because then the candle just comes up, then it comes back down. So me personally, you're a loss too. Then obviously we get this huge mess over here, guys. We get the breakout here, but you know, we never get a clean rejection for a bearish rejection, and the price just carries on obviously going higher. A rejection here again, sorry, breakout through here again, not the best. And as you can see, guys, this is obviously breakouts here, but I mean, look at this, guys. The best one I can probably see from all this, clean breakout here, rejection, boom, straight up. Look at this, guys, and that's super clean as well. So 1 to 5 there. Also, the another one sticking out to me is, and I'm doing this live with you guys, right? Normally I draw these out. I'm not saying I hand pick them, but you know, something that I just like to draw. Like the one I drew now, guys. The reason how I draw them when I show or delete it, but it's the most recent price action. So example, what happened on, you know, today is a Sunday, but what happened on Friday? So okay, this is a 1 to 2. This is a loss in my eyes. We get a breakout above, we get the rejection, but this would also be a loss. Now this is why I'm saying trading is not for mentally weak people, because I've taken 3 losses so far. Bullish breakout here, but not the bullish candle, getting a bearish rejection, sorry, bearish breakout again. So put the trade here, we can call this a fake out, whatever, but then obviously boom, bullish again, we get the, you know, taken out. Best thing is when consolidation period, just wait it out, guys. Wait, and what look out for, wait for these huge moves to be made where, you know, price is shifting now fully, right? So I mean, let's even look at the numbers here, right? So far we getting a, let's make this realistic as possible, because we get a break. No, actually I went over this, so I wouldn't take this in with it, enter the zone. So -1, +4, or 1 to 5 years, so +4, then -4 again, now +1%, and then a, you know, +5, so now I'm up 6% after this. I've drawn this live in front of you guys. Obviously I think there's ways to refine this zone even better, but this is something I just, you know, handpicked right now. I'm not handpicked, just drawn randomly out of the blue in front of you guys live. So yeah, so still out of all this, even out of all this mess, we would have walked away with 6% profit, right? Let's just even say breakout here, we were taking a sell over this, even though it's not a bearish rejection, it's a bullish, so we would still walked away with 5%. On a 100k profit account, that's 5 grand, not bad at all. So I hope this video was helpful, insightful. I trade my own strategy, 1 to 4 is to reward, with a 67% win rate. And also guys, most of my losses, that these 5 losing streaks, these 4 losing streaks here, 4 here, 4 here, I checked and they were on news days. So now I just totally avoid news days, or I just get that 1 or 2 trades in before news, and then I don't trade any red folder news after that. So my win percentage is actually in the 70%. So yeah, if you wanna, you know, join the Discord group, join my mentorship program where you can speak to me one-to-one. You can do FaceTime calls, do live chart breakdowns, everything guys, live trading together as well. I don't offer a signals group, I don't offer a course, because I believe that, you know, in the proper, I'm only taking on 10 students, by the way guys. I've got 7 already, 3 more, boom, that's it. The rest, obviously everyone can join, we can drop down winners and losers, chart breakdowns, everything, to the minor level. But I'm really want to take out, I want a group of elite traders, 10 traders and myself, we can trade together, because trading can get very lonely guys. So that's my aim. So, you know, hope you like this video guys, hope you found tons of value, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe, join the Discord group, hit me up personally for a mentorship. It doesn't matter if you don't know anything, or if you're advanced, or if you're intermediate, whatever level you're at, stage you're at, hit me up, and yeah, let's get this journey started. Take care, and I'm out.